Hi, this is Mike Hendrickson from Strata Rx in San Francisco. I'm here with Juergen Klenk from Booz Allen Hamilton. How you doing, Juergen?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good, thanks. So, Booz Allen Hamilton, DC-based company, right?
That's right.
And what are you guys up to in the data space first?
In the big data space, we have a large cloud analytics team that we're using right now for our clients' requests. All of our clients it's across the board. They're really drowning in data left and right, and they have amassed so much data that they really need to figure out what to do with all the data to support their missions better. And that's a big topic. And
who are the typical customers?
We work across the whole government sector, be on the defense side, on the intelligence community, and then in the civil spaces, health, finance, transportation, energy, all of those.
So in the health space, what are you guys up to?
Well, specifically in health, with the High-Tech Act and meaningful use, we see the advent of really big data in health. And so the confluence of big data, the analytic foundation that the cloud-based techniques bring, but then also the analytic techniques that you can now run very effectively. There's a lot that you can really do and get out of the data. So looking at electronic medical records, for example, to see how you can make better medical decision support, identifying signals for patients who are at risk, biosurveillance being another topic, for example. Fraud is obviously a big topic. That's more looking at claims data. And then we heard a lot here today and yesterday also about genomic data, and that playing a more important role in defining personalized healthcare.
So do you work with any of the government bodies on kind of that subject as well, like privacy and issues around that?
Yeah, we work with government bodies across the board. So under the Department of Health and Human Services, we work with NIH, the FDA, CDC, CMS, all the acronyms, yeah. The Department of Veterans Affairs has a lot of data as well. So across the health sector and on the federal government side, we basically work with all agencies.
And do you see that they're starting to move in the right direction, or are they still under the 8 ball or snowed under? Or?
There's a lot of interesting initiatives going on, I think. There are a lot of new portions or institutions being stood up within those agencies also to address that big data challenge and to really get on top of things. So I feel they're really getting very quickly on top of this. And in addition to that, with federal initiatives around the cloud, there's really a strong push towards making that happen. So we're actually quite excited about being partners there to help make that happen.
Excellent. Juergen, I hope we see you at future Stratas. Thank you.
Likewise.